Can you also train with a modular bike bag? Let's find out. This CandyWrap bag has a volume of 7.6 liters and I filled it up with sand. So it must weigh around 7.5 kilos, but you can easily top the weight when you pour water inside the sand. Now let's train with this. Let's go.
With my own hands, roll it tight and pack it down. No fancy gear, no need around. Load it up and hit the trail. Homemade strength will never fail. Dust and sweat beneath the sun. Who needs a gym? This was more fun. Fill it up, tie it down. Turn that bike bag into pounds. Fill it up, tie it down. Now we're lifting all around. One bag mounts anything. One bag mounts anything. Throw it high and let it swing. One bag mounts anything. One bag mounts anything. One bag mounts anything. Sand, sweat, and suffering. One bag mounts anything. Squats and lunges, feeling strong. Carry that weight all day long. Carry that weight all day long. Jumping high, feet leave the ground. Hear that heavy thumping sound. Pull up, dips, and overhead. Burning shoulders, turning red. Twist and throw and catch it clean. DIY workout machine.
So, I think we proved that a CandyWrap bag can also be your training strap. If you're also exhausted like me, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!